Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today some Christmas presents to open apparently. This was all sent by We Knives. This was a surprise. I got a box with a card, and they, said Merry Christmas. And all of this was inside, and that's pretty cool. I'm really excited to see what's in here. So thank you so much to We Knives for this really cool surprise. Whatever it is, if it's stuff that I can link, I will absolutely link it down below. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I don't know what I want to open first. I guess I'm really curious about this. Really nice. The paper's really nice. Okay, what do we have here? Okay. We have what looks like a multi-compartment sheath. Slips. There's some. Are these like keychains? Yeah. EDC. Okay, I'm pretty sure. Let me look at this again. Card they sent. 1791 EDC. Our friends at 1791 EDC wanted to send something your way as well. Okay, so I will make sure that these items from 1791 EDC are linked right down below. Nice slip, I think, or is it this? Looks like maybe a sheath for multiple things or a fixed blade or something like that. Very cool. These, I'm no great judge of leather quality, but this feels really nice to me. So take that for what it's worth. I have absolutely no experience whatsoever in the world of, fine leather working. But all of this looks and feels very high quality to me. So I absolutely appreciate that. Very cool. I like this too. This looks nice. I wish I knew, I wish I knew anything. I'm gonna untie that. It's a rare thing that you actually get to untie a bow on a gift, right? That's just something that we don't see anymore, or at least I don't see it. And I certainly don't wrap presents anywhere near this nicely. It feels mean to like rip this apart. Okay, so this is a We Knife. What do we have? I appreciate that these boxes do not fall out of themselves anymore. That's really cool. We wish you and your loved ones a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's very nice. Thank you very much. To you as well. Very cool. Thank you very much. Really nice. What is this? What's the name? Here it is. The Elementum Bronze Titanium Handle. Oh, it's a titanium premium Elementum. Woo! All right. Very nice. Thank you. I do not have a premium Elementum in my collection. Oh, they put my logo on it. Oh, man. That's cool. Really trying to... what's funny is in the past, I've always said the Elementum's pretty vanilla, and, it doesn't really shoot sparks off for me. So I'm in a position here where I really appreciate this. This is nice. It's the nicest version of the Elementum, and I like that they put my logo on there. I also am a gigantic fan of the bronze and black contrast. So I don't know if they knew that, if they did that on purpose, but it's I'm actively having to try to not like the Elementum at this point. This particular one is very cool and very much appreciated. Absolutely, I will carry and use this. And I actually have the other Elementum they sent me a long time ago. The Civivi Elementum, and they had put my logo on it. I wasn't sure if these were about the same. Yeah, are they like almost exactly the same size? It's just this one is titanium. This is cool. I appreciate that, We Knives. Very nice of you. And yeah, I'll keep this one and carry and use it. I really like the, this is the, you know, the helmet that I've always used, the really defined one. It's, you know, a few people know that I actually, for a little bit, had a second channel called Silent Complex, and it was almost created as a joke, you know, because people in the early days, and people still say this, so they say, you talk too much, right? So almost as a joke, I created a second channel called Silent Complex where I didn't talk at all. I just showed the knife for 2 minutes, some close-ups, and that was it. That was the whole video. And I created a separate logo that was a little bit more simple, not nearly as complicated, right? It was a simpler channel. And then I ended up really liking the logo. And so, you know, when I got tired of uploading content for this other channel that really wasn't super duper serious, it was just for people who didn't want to hear me talk, I sort of adopted the Silent Complex logo into the content for this channel. And it's really kind of like the main helmet logo now that I use. And I really like how this looks. They etched it really, really well. I'll give you guys a close-up. But they did this really well on the blade, and it looks really nice. That's awesome. Very cool. Thank you so much to WE Knives and to 1791 EDC. These are really nice. I'll have to get some details on the stuff that 1791 sent because it's really nice. And, you know, if I can use it for, you know, multiple things that I've got here, then great. Fantastic. Yeah, this is all very nice. Very thoughtful. Thank you very much. I think that's going to be pretty much it today. Oh, you know what? No, hang on. There's one more thing. There's this package here. I do not know what that is. It feels like something small and metal. It is exactly that. Is it a little titanium pocket clip? I think it is. Yeah, the 2-hole titanium clip. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. I imagine that this will fit on pretty much any 2-hole WE or Civivi. Yeah, it looks like that is the case there and here. Oh, good, and it'll match with the black blade for sure. Yeah, all right, well, thank you. Very cool. Awesome. I'll make use of that. I'll attach that immediately because that, to me, is a preferable clip. Let's see here. What is this? I'm going to let you guys... There's some little things with these on here. So if I can hold these up to the screen where people can actually make use of them. So there's the one in the middle. Maybe should I get it closer? I don't know what these are. I imagine it's for... It looks like this is extra hardware, so maybe that's what it is there. Hopefully your phones or devices can read those there. Okay, that's going to be pretty much it today. Thank you so much once again to 1791 EDC and to WE Knives for sending these really thoughtful gifts. Very much appreciate it, and I will make use of that Civivi Elementum for sure. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.